Press start to play.
Sabi ni Stevie Wonder, music is what gives us memories. And the longer a song has existed in our lives, the more memories we have of it. Sa tuwing maririnig natin ang isang kanta from years ago, we seem to travel back to that moment as if we were there. This experience is known as music-evoked autobiographical memory. Common ito sa atin, at ito ay involuntary. Meaning, pag may narinig tayong kanta, something just pops up into our minds. Kahit na hindi naman tayo nag-e-effort na alalahanin ito. Sa episode natin ngayon, ay isasalang natin ang ating nostalgia mixtape. And let's go to a musical journey down memory lane. Alright mga nostalgics, salamat sa mainit na pagtanggap at magagandang comments sa ating pilot episode. Once again, I'm Raymond, ang inyong kababata, kalaro at katropa, giving you your dose of Nostalgia Fix. Nostalgia Ka Ba Podcast is brought to us by Fanwich TV. For our second episode, ay isasalang natin ang ating Nostalgia Mixtape, kung saan babalikan natin ang mga kantang hit noon pero classic na ngayon. Mga kantang medyo matagal na nating hindi naririnig at mga kantang na-miss natin pero nagbibigay sa atin ng nostalgia feels sa tuwing ito ay ating maririnig. Umpisahan natin sa pag-play sa side A ng ating nostalgia mixtape.
Hirap na hirap kang paanda rin, tapos nung nilagay mo ng oil, tuloy-tuloy na. That was what happened with the song. Nag-flow talaga, kaya gumawa ako agad ng demo.
Pero noong iparinig niya ito sa kanilang manager na si Wingard Tracy, ang sabi ni Mr. Tracy ay parang isang normal na kanta lang ito. Pagkatapos ay sinuggest ni Mr. Tracy na dagdagan ng bridge ang kanta upang lumipad ito. Kaya naman, Mr. Benny
But after I added the bridge, lumipad na yung song.
unang ipinarinig ng side A sa mga tao ang Forevermore sa kanilang concert with Regine Velasquez noong 1995 sa Folk Arts Theater. Maganda ang naging reception ng audience dito, kaya naman nag-decide ang Warner Music Philippines na i-release ito as a CD single. Idinagdag nila dito ang kanilang rendition ng kantang Tell Me na originally sang by Joey Albert. Ang CD single na ito ay nag 9 times platinum in sales and it made side A the first band to release a CD single. Ang kantang Forevermore ang nagbigay sa side A ng kanilang third consecutive Awit Award for Best Performance by a Group at ito rin ang nanalong 1996 Song of the Year. The song Forevermore has 248 words in its lyrics and it runs for 4 minutes and 40 seconds. It is played with an E major key with a tempo of 83 beats per minute. At dahil nga sobrang classic ng song na ito, sobrang dami din ng nag-cover at gumawa ng sarili nilang rendition nito. Isa na dyan si Juris na dating vocalist ng MYMP.
There are times when I just want to look at your face, with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in a cold night.
Heto naman ang version ng bandang Agsunta.
I just can't believe that you
just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would.
Meron din sariling version ito, ang The Company. Maging sila Regine Velasquez, Martin Rivera, at Jed Madela ay gumawa din ng sarili nilang rendition ng Forevermore. Ang isa pang notable cover ng Forevermore ay ang kay David Archuleta na inirelease noong 2012. Noong 2021 naman ay gumawa si Mr. Benin ng composer's version ng Forevermore kung saan siya ang kumanta nito. Ginamit din na soundtrack ang Forevermore sa series na Forever in My Heart sa GMA7 noong 2004. At noong 2015 naman sa ABS-CBN Channel 2 series na may pamagat na Forevermore. Ang favorite line ko sa song na ito ay isingit ko lang ito mga nostalgics. Make sure to watch until the end of this video para sa ating panalo ka dito question. Isa lang naman natin ang side B ng ating nostalgia mixtape.
Please hear me out, my friend. I've something to say that's from within.
Pamilyar ba ang kanta na yan? Yan ang kantang Forevermore by Paul Bennett. Forevermore was composed and sung by Paul Bennett, an Australian singer-songwriter who also goes by the name of Paul Bigod. Bennett is also the composer of the song End of the Line by Honeys, and he is a 3-time nominee for the Producer of the Year award by the Australian Recording Industry Association. Forevermore was released in 1993 and it was a #1 hit in Asia. The song has 217 words and it runs for 3 minutes and 50 seconds. The most notable cover by Forevermore was the one from Jed Madela.
Please hear me out, my friend. There's something to say that's from within. It's our last memory.
Naghanap din kami sa YouTube ng ibang mga nostalgics natin na nag-cover ng kantang ito. Here's the cover done by Win Covers.
All of those nights we shared, all of those days you were there, I just wanna love you forever.
And here's another version of Forevermore from the Dons Band.
Hold you just like before. Yeah, maybe someday we might just find a way and we can love forevermore.
You may follow Win Covers and the Dons Band via the links of their YouTube channels in the description below. Narito naman ang favorite line ko sa song na ito.
Oh, I'm lost without you. Oh, tell me, what should I do? Now that you're gone, I can't go on alone. I'm a lonely man, I need you again.
Alright mga nostalgics. What do these two Forevermore songs have in common? Bukod sa pagkakapareho ng kanilang titles, both songs were revived and recorded by Jed Madela. At syempre, ang dalawang song na yan ay mga hit noon at classic na ngayon. At yan ang dalawang kanta mula sa ating nostalgia mixtape para sa video na ito. Two songs that are alike in their titles but have different meanings. One is Marveling with the Found Love, and one is longing for a lost love. The other wanting to make the relationship stronger, and the other hoping that they can come back together. Alright mga nostalgics, before we end this episode, please subscribe and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Nostalgic Ba Podcast is available on Spotify, Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, and Amazon Music. If you have comments, suggestions, and recommendations, at kung gusto nyo makitambay at mag-guest sa ating future episodes, you may send us an email at funwitchtv@gmail.com. Kung may gusto kayong songs na maisama sa ating Nostalgia Mixtape at mapag-usapan para sa mga susunod na episodes, pakilagay lang po sa ating comment section and we'll try our best to fulfill your request. As promised, narito ang ating Panalo Ka Dito question. Anong taon nanalo ang Side A ng Awit Award Song of the Year para sa kantang Forevermore? Ilagay sa comment section ang sagot upang maisama ang inyong pangalan sa ating Funwitch Wheel at baka ikaw na ang maswerteng manalo ng GCash mula sa Funwitch TV. Alright mga nostalgics, natapos na naman ang isang episode ng Nostalgic Ba Podcast. Muli po, I'm Raymond, ang inyong kababata, kalaro at katropa. Kita-kits ulit sa next episode. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa ating biyahe papunta sa nakaraan, na masarap sariwain, masayang balik-balikan, at parte ng ating kabataan. Apir!